I'm out here, I might as well show them the Survival Belt by Alpenlore. Don't go away. Change of scenery. Well, as I was doing my last scene outside, I had a little bit of work to take care of. I was wanting to go out and find a dead, dry birch tree for some wood projects, and one that wasn't rotten, and that took a little while. So by that time that it was done, it was losing light, and anyway, I said, well, might as well do that indoors so I can try and do a proper review of these belts. So, these are from Alpenlore, and he calls it Survival Belt. Right off the bat here, as you can see, he's got different colors, different designs, and they come in different sizes. He's got small, medium, and large, and they're adjustable. Just give you an example, I'm 34 waist, so I took the medium because I think it plays between 31 and 37. So, you know, you can wear on your belt or outside your belt, which is cool. Okay, now the belt width is about 1.25 inches. Let's push these out a little bit. About 1.25 inches. Thickness is about 7 millimeters. And of course, you know, these could be used absolutely for bushcraft, survival, search and rescue, and even everyday carry. That's why I have a black one here, because I could wear this every day. Black goes with pretty much any color. There's another one here for the outdoors. It's OD green, and it's orange. So these are reversible. Okay, all you need to do is change the clips, turn them around, I guess. Okay, sorry about that, I had to cut you off. It was too bright. Alright, this is a black OD green, and the webbing is gray. This is for Josie. Now, just before I continue this review, my wife Josie obviously does not wear belts most of the time with her clothes. But when she goes outdoors, she'd like to wear a belt, and it's always a problem. She doesn't know what to wear or what to put on and all that. So I just solved her problem, and she loves it. She can attach anything she wants on that. It's rugged, it's tough, and useful. Okay, a few more specs. Let's take this one. Look at this one instead. Push that out of the way. As you can see, this looks like Paracord, but it's not. They actually call it Paracord. Paracord is good for 320 pounds. It does have one strand in it that can separate in two, I think. So it's still very useful for all kinds of different tasks. Now, the reason why I didn't use Paracord, and I really understand, is because it would be too thick, too stiff, not pliable, and not really comfortable on your waist. And plus, there's some belt loops that are not that thick, so it would be a pain. This one here is very pliable, very comfortable, and you can fit pretty much anything on this. And even though it's not 550, 320 is still very good. It has also, I mean, the Paracord has 50 feet of it, so imagine that. That's enough. I don't have to, you know, make a list of what you can do with that. But shelter building, bow drill, hanging stuff, etc. Inside of it, there's a webbing. Now the webbing can come either gray like this or black. you've got 12 feet of it. 12 feet. I think it's strong. The strength of it is about 1,200 pounds. So imagine that. Very, very strong. You know what? These are not only strong, but they're lightweight. So, and compact. You know, I can roll this up and it's very easy. But even though it's simple and lightweight and compact, it's still strong, which is pretty cool. Okay, so let's take a look a little bit at the buckle. It's Alpine buckle. Let's do it right. Military grade. Easy to clip. Easy to unclip. Again, very, very comfortable. This triangle ring here is good for, I think, 1,000 pounds, if I'm not mistaken. And again, you can hook stuff on, or as you're traveling, etc., etc. Really cool. Okay, so it's very easy to adjust. You know, very simple. You know, for easy adjustment. The other side, of course, you can do it as well, but if you get the right size, all you need to do is play with this one here. There's the Alpenlore. Something else that's in this belt, as you can see here. Oh, what is that? Well, we're going to take a look at that next. First off, I just want to show you the cool bag that it comes in. Each belt. Well, these came in this one anyway. Strong, sturdy Ziploc. Really cool. Also, what you get with it is this booklet on rescue knots, which is good. You open it up, Alpine Guide, Survival Belt System. You've got all kinds of knots in here and instructions with nice little pictures. How to lash sticks, tripods, a ladder, and all kind of yummy nuts. Certain of them I don't know, so this is good. So, but what I like also about this is its size. It's, I don't know, maybe 3 by 2. Perfect wallet size. Keep this stuck, not stuck, but you know, put this somewhere in your wallet. Good to have. Alright, so what comes in that little slit there that I just shown you? It's exactly this. That's what you've seen in this bag. And when you unroll it, you've got some other quick knots. Unroll this. And the instructions are really easy to understand. You know, clove hitch and so. I mean, most of this belt has to do with cordage, so it was a good idea to, you know, give you a little guide just in case you don't know any knots. Also, you've got 3 little things that come with it. You've got 2 hooks, which I must say are a little big, but it depends where you are. I mean, if you're in the ocean, it'd be good. So, you know, this could be changed. You can add whatever you like. I'd add some smaller hooks. You have a little X-Acto here and some matches. So it's just a little add, a plus to the belt, and it comes with this guide. Okay, so what do I think of these belts? Well, they're lightweight, compact, they look good, they're useful, they're strong. There's absolutely nothing cheap about them. Everything is, you know, well thought of, well made. Maybe that little tiny survival kit, you could play around with that, that's not a problem. He's got different designs, different colors. You know, you can wear one every day if you like, or one for the woods. Yeah, I think they're cool. So anyway, I want to thank Scott from Alpenlore for sending me these belts. Very, very nice of you. I appreciate that. I appreciate you guys watching, as usual. And I'll just leave, you know, the links in the description of where you can get this if it interests you. So, see you another time. This is Mike from Bushcraft Partners.